Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if won't send text messages on Realme Narzo power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and you will see up restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. Click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. So your problem is not solved. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if won't send text messages on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.